Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm recreating a very old recipe from my YouTube channel, tomato cheese toast. I think half of them have not seen this recipe on my channel because I completely removed it long ago, and it's there on my blog, so I'm updating the blog. So here I've prepped up all the ingredients required for this tomato cheese toast. All the ingredients will be mentioned in the description box below this video, friends. So do visit the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added oil. You can also use ghee for this recipe. Once the oil has reached temperature, that's when I'll add my onion, chilies, curry leaves. I will also add the ginger and garlic paste along with the onions and fry the onions till it turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, and a detailed blog post link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Here, once my onions have turned transparent, I'll be adding the chopped tomatoes. This is our go-to breakfast or evening tiffin time snack recipe. My dad used to really enjoy this. I used to prepare this all the time whenever he used to come back from the office, and he used to really enjoy it. And my mother also, she really enjoyed this tomato cheese toast because after a long time I'm preparing this. Here I've added all the spice powders. I've used chicken masala. You can use chicken masala or curry powder, whichever masala is available at home. You can also use tandoori masala, pav bhaji masala for this recipe. So I've added turmeric powder, the masala powders, chili powder, and salt for as per taste. And I fry the onion and tomato till the tomato is nice and soft. I'll cover it and cook till the tomatoes have cooked down. And while my tomatoes are cooking down, I've started to grate the cheese. You can use equal amounts of mozzarella and cheddar, or you can just use the cheddar cheese. You can also use cheese singles. So here I'll be grating the cheese because I had the cheese and I wanted to use it up. Once I've grated the cheese, I'll reserve it. And you can see the tomato has cooked well. There is no moisture because when we start to spread this on the bread, it should not have any moisture. Then finally you just need to add some finely chopped coriander and fry your masala for another minute and remove from flame. Now on the bread slice, we'll start spreading the masala. Normally what I used to do is, earlier I used to apply a generous amount of butter, then apply the masala on the bread. Now I've avoided the butter because as we are aging, the health also we need to have concern about it, and we need to take care of our health. So I've avoided the butter and I'm just spreading some masala on the bread. But if you're preparing this for kids, they love butter, I will highly recommend you apply that butter on the bread and then apply the masala. Now I'm topping the masala with grated cheese and finally another slice of bread. We will transfer this to a hot tawa and we will fry this on both sides. We'll add little bit of oil and fry the bread on both sides. You can add oil or you can add butter also at this point. This is a very healthy recipe, friends, and if you're using a non-stick grill pan, you don't have to use even that much of oil. Use very less amount of oil and grill your toast. So this is very easy to prepare. You can prepare this masala ahead of time and store it in the fridge. So the next day morning or for evening, it is ready for you to prepare this toast. So this is a very simple and easy toast, friends, to prepare this. We also call this tomato as chutney or tokku. In many parts of South India, we call it as different, we use different names for that filling. So that tomato tokku can be stored in the fridge for up to a week's time. Now you can see my tomato cheese toast is ready. I have removed it from the tawa. We can pair this toast with some coffee and you're good to go. So do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.